$54,000 for a new pickup truck is a ripoff. If you're looking for a truck that won't drain your wallet, but will still haul, tow, and conquer the road like a champ, buckle up. We're diving into the world of dirt cheap trucks, $5,000 or less, that punch far above their price tag. These aren't just beat-up rust buckets, they're legends on the road, icons of utility, and the unsung heroes of the automotive world. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a budget-conscious adventurer, or just someone who needs a trusty rig to get the job done, this list will blow your mind and maybe even change your driveway. Let's start our list with the Ford F-150 from 1987 to 1995. It might be your best shot at getting a solid workhorse without selling your kidneys. Known for their straightforward design and tough-as-nails reputation, these trucks are the automotive equivalent of that friend who doesn't flinch when you ask them to help you move. Key features include durable engines like the 4.9-liter straight-six or the 5.0-liter V8, and a sturdy frame that laughs in the face of heavy loads. While they lack modern frills like Bluetooth or heated seats, they make up for it with a reliability that's hard to come by in today's trucks. When hunting for one, look for rust along the body panels and undercarriage. Salt and time are not their best friends. Also, pay attention to the suspension and braking system, as decades of hauling can take a toll. Despite their age, these trucks are great because they're easy to fix, thanks to a wealth of spare parts, affordable to maintain, and perfect for anyone who needs a dependable ride without breaking the bank. Next, we have the Chevy Silverado, old body style, a classic slice of 90s nostalgia wrapped in a rugged steel frame. These trucks scream functionality, featuring the bulletproof 350 V8 or the smaller but sturdy 305 V8 engines. With a simple yet iconic design, these Silverados are a dream for weekend warriors and DIY enthusiasts alike. They can tow your boat, haul your lumber, or just sit in your driveway looking tough. When shopping, keep an eye out for excessive rust on the cab corners and wheel wells, as well as transmission issues, especially with a 4L60E automatic. Despite these concerns, the OBS Silverado earns its keep thanks to its solid build quality, relatively low repair costs, and a fan base that makes it easy to find parts or advice. It's a budget-friendly option for anyone who wants a truck with personality and performance. At number 6 is the Chevy Avalanche, the mullet of trucks, business in the front, party in the back. Thanks to its versatile mid-gate design, it can transform from a comfy 5-passenger SUV into a full-fledged cargo hauler in minutes. Equipped with engines like the reliable 5.3-liter Vortec V8, the Avalanche is perfect for hauling, towing, or just looking cool while doing both. Plus, it offers creature comforts like decent interior space and optional leather seats, a rarity in this price range. When shopping, check for wear and tear on the mid-gate seals and any signs of rust, especially on the frame and rocker panels. Additionally, ensure the transmission is in good shape, as the Avalanche is notorious for transmission issues. Despite these quirks, the Avalanche is a great choice for someone who wants a versatile truck without sacrificing comfort or quality. Number 5. The 1999 to 2006 Ford F-150 brought the grit and grunt you'd expect from America's favorite truck, but wrapped it in a sleeker, more modern package. With smoother curves and a more refined ride, it's like the F-150 traded its cowboy boots for a pair of polished work boots. Its power came from robust engines like the 4.6-liter and 5.4-liter Triton V8s, giving you plenty of muscle for towing, hauling, or just looking cool at the hardware store. The interior wasn't just an afterthought anymore. Ford added improved soundproofing and comfier seating, so even your longest road trips wouldn't feel like a punishment. Whether you're hauling lumber or just your ego, this truck has you covered. But let's not pretend it's all roses. The Triton had a knack for turning spark plug changes into a full-on battle of wits and knuckles. Be ready to call in reinforcements. And like any truck that's seen some action, rust loves to creep in on the usual spots, while hard-working frames might carry a few battle scars. Still, if you're in the market for a dependable truck that balances ruggedness with a touch of refinement, this F-150 is a legend worth driving. Number 4. Chevy didn't reinvent the wheel with the Silverado from 1999 to 2006. They just made it stronger and more reliable. With powerful engine options like the 4.8-liter or 5.3-liter V8, these trucks are built to handle worksite abuse and weekend adventures with ease. They also offer one of the smoothest rides for a truck of this vintage, making them great for long trips or daily commutes. Keep an eye on the frame and undercarriage for rust, and make sure the transmission shifts smoothly. Like many GM vehicles of this era, the gauge cluster may fail, but replacements are readily available. Despite these potential issues, the Silverado shines for its durability, performance, and excellent value for money. Third place is the Toyota T100, a quiet overachiever of the truck world. Small in stature, but big on reliability. While its American rivals were flexing their V8 biceps and guzzling gas like frat boys at a keg party, the T100 stayed humble, rocking a 3.4-liter V6 or the occasional 5.7-liter V8 that knew how to work hard without blowing your fuel budget. Now, it may not have been the biggest or the baddest truck on the block, but it earned a loyal following by showing up day after day, getting the job done without drama. Think of it as that nerdy kid in class who aced every test and quietly became the CEO while the jocks peaked in high school. However, every underdog has its Achilles heel, and for the T100, it's that dreaded frame rust, Toyota's longtime nemesis. So, when scoping one out, get your flashlight ready and give that undercarriage a thorough inspection. If it passes the rust test and the engine and transmission are still purring like a happy cat, you found yourself a keeper. The T100 might not turn heads at the truck stop, but it's the kind of dependable, low-maintenance ride you'll want to stick with for the long haul, just like your favorite pair of sneakers. Number 2. The first-generation Dodge Ram is the definition of bold. With its big rig styling and engines like the 5.2-liter Magnum V8 or the 5.9-liter Cummins diesel, this truck is a powerhouse on wheels. It's built for heavy-duty work and makes a statement wherever it goes. The interior isn't the fanciest, but it's practical and durable, with enough room to fit your crew comfortably. When considering one, look out for transmission issues, especially in models with an automatic transmission, and rust along the fenders and undercarriage. Despite these potential headaches, the first-gen Dodge Ram is an unbeatable option for those who want a truck with attitude, capability, and a touch of nostalgia. And number 1. The square-body Chevy is not just a truck, it's a legend. With its sharp lines, an iconic grille, and indestructible frame, this truck is a favorite among collectors and workhorse enthusiasts alike. Engine options like the reliable 350 V8 make it a powerhouse for towing, hauling, or off-roading. Plus, its timeless design ensures you'll turn heads, whether you're at a construction site or at a classic car show. When buying one, inspect the cab corners, rocker panels, and bed for rust. Also, ensure the drivetrain is in good shape. Although, even if it's not, parts are plentiful and repairs are straightforward. The square-body Chevy is the ultimate blend of durability, style, and affordability, making it a must-have for anyone who wants a cheap truck that can do it all. And there you have it, the ultimate lineup of budget-friendly trucks that prove you don't need to spend big to drive something tough, reliable, and downright cool. So don't let a tight budget hold you back from living the truck life. Start your search, kick some tires, and grab your slice of rugged freedom. Because with these classics, every mile is a story waiting to be told. So which of these trucks would you get or already have in your garage? Do you have any personal stories to share? Let us know in the comment section. And if you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thank you for watching.